Hi everyone, welcome to another Python mastery tutorial. In this video I will talk about numeric operators, powerful tools that allow us to perform arithmetic operations in Python. Let's start with the addition operator, denoted by the plus symbol. It's used to add numbers together. For example, num1 equals 10, num2 equals 5, and then result equals num1 plus num2. Let's parent result of addition and concatenate result. As you already know, if we run this, the output will be 15 because we added num1, which is 10, plus num2, which is 5. 10 plus 5 equals 15. Here I added num1 and num2 using the addition operator, resulting in the sum being stored in the result variable. The subtraction operator subtracts one number from another. For example, num1 equals 20, num2 equals 8. Result equals num1 minus num2. The minus operator here subtracts num2 from num1, and the result is going to store in the result variable. Now let's parent result of subtraction and concatenate result. As you know, the output will be 12. The next one is multiplication operator. It is used for, you guessed it, multiplication. For example, we have num1 equals 6, num2 equals 7. And let's multiply num1 and num2 together and put them inside result. Let's parent result of multiplication and concatenate result. And the result will be 42 because 6 times 7 equals 42. Here num1 and num2 are multiplied together and then saved or stored in the result variable. The division operator divides one number by another. For example, num1 equals 50, num2 equals 10. Result equals num1 divided by num2. And let's parent result of division, concatenate result with the comma, and the output will be 5.0. When num1 is divided by num2, Python returns the result as a floating point number. For example, 5.0. Now let's discuss the module operator, which calculates the remainder of a division. For example, num1 equals 17, num2 equals 5. Result equals num1 mod or module operator num2. And if we print result of module and concatenate result, the output will be 2 because the remainder of 17 divided by 5 will be 2. Here the mod operator gives us the remainder when num1 is divided by num2. Lastly, the floor division operator performs integer division, discarding any fractional part. For example, num1 equals 25, num2 equals 4. Result equals num1, floor division num2. We use two division operator together. And if we print result of floor division concatenated with the result, the output will be 6. Without any fractional part. The floor operator divides num1 by num2 and returns the integer part of the result. Python follows the standard mathematical order of operations for numeric calculations. These numeric operators, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, mod, and floor operator, are fundamental for performing various arithmetic operations in Python. Perfect. Now it's the time for a challenge. Pause the video and solve this challenge. Write a Python program that defines two variables, num1 and num2, with values 5 and 3 respectively. Perform the following operations. Addition, add num1 and num2. Subtraction, subtract num2 from num1. Multiplication, multiply num1 by num2. Division, divide num1 by num2. Parent the result of each operation. And at the last, your program should output exactly like this. Stay tuned for more Python mastery tutorials. Don't forget to practice these operators to solidify your understanding. Happy coding!